Hi gamers, in this video let's find step-by-step guide to get a custom crosshair in Fortnite for free. You can use the Crosshair application, which allows you to overlay a customizable crosshair on your screen. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set it up. Step 1, download Crosshair V. Go to the Microsoft Store and search for Crosshair or download it from a trusted source. Step 2, adjust game settings. Launch Fortnite and change your display settings to borderless or windowed full screen mode. This is necessary because the Crosshair overlay will not appear in full screen mode. Disable the default Fortnite reticle by navigating to the settings menu, selecting game UI, and turning off the reticle option. Step 3, customize your crosshair. Open Crosshair after launching Fortnite. You will see a menu that allows you to customize various aspects of your crosshair, including size, shape, and color. Use the keybinds provided in the application to adjust settings. For example, you can press specific keys to change the color or shape of your crosshair. Positioning. Make sure your custom crosshair aligns perfectly with your shots by testing it in-game. You might need to adjust the HUD scale in Fortnite settings for better alignment. Safety tips. While using third-party software like Crosshair is generally accepted, always ensure you are following Fortnite's guidelines to avoid any potential bans. By following these steps, you can effectively set up a custom crosshair in Fortnite that enhances your aiming experience without any cost. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this. Thank you.